This is an app that I had Claude Code create for me to replace Speechify. Now, I love Speechify. I've been a Speechify user for years. I think it's an amazing app. I use Speechify when I'm writing and editing on my desktop or laptop, and when I'm on the go, either in the car or most days when I'm out walking my dog. I like to be able to listen to my audiobooks or journal articles that I usually upload as PDFs, things like that. However, even as a premium member, I somehow ran out of usage credits to be able to listen to documents on Speechify. And it won't renew until the end of the month. And that just wasn't going to work for me. I'm in the middle of final edits for a book. I am still doing all of my regular day-to-day work, and I still want to be able to enjoy listening to audiobooks and other files while I'm out and about. So to be able to continue doing that, I asked Claude Code to build me a similar app that had premium voices and would allow me to have the same kind of document access. And it did. And it did it in fewer than 20 minutes. And it's actually pretty cool. I didn't care much about the design and colors and fonts and stuff like that. So you'll see it's easily recognizable as AI design. I really don't care about that. This was really about the basic utility of being able to listen to files. And I still have all the same features in terms of being able to upload PDFs, Word documents, EPUBs, other types of files, being able to add a web link in here and for the app to actually fetch and read the text to me. And then, of course, being able to copy and paste things in here. Now, I know Speechify has a whole set of new AI features and things like that. I don't necessarily need those for this purpose, so I didn't add any additional features. And if I don't want to use this column on the left, I can use this button and upload a file here. To give you a preview, I will upload a file here. All right, so you'll see here I have a file open and I can control the rate of speech. So if I want it to be slower or faster, I can adjust that here. I can also use this little bar to move things around. I can also type in that box and then I can pick different voices. So we'll just start maybe right here.
In simple terms, coaching describes what we do. This book presents a robust model for coaching, principles, methodologies, and contexts for coaching, and practical skills for coaching.
In other words, it's about how to do coaching effectively. We have been pioneers in the field of coaching and have trained tens of thousands of coactive coaches around the world.
Coactive is about the nature of the coaching relationship. It involves how the coach and the coachee work together, the alliance, for the sake of the coachee's agenda.
And so just to give you a preview of some of the voices. When I was using Claude Code, I flagged that I wanted premium voices so it doesn't sound very basic, kind of like the Microsoft Office text-to-speech, which still sounds very robotic. In the age of AI, I don't know why, but something to think about if you are paying for an Anthropic Claude membership that allows you to have Claude Code. If you're using the $100 to $200 a month membership, that can end up saving you money if you're using it to replace some of the apps that you use in your day-to-day. Now, I'm not going to totally replace Speechify because it does have other cool features and I didn't make this for mobile, but it was really cool that in a matter of minutes, I could use Claude Code to build an app that satisfies my usage needs and is a native app on my MacBook. I just open my app library, click on it, or click on the icon on my desktop, and boom, it's there. If you find yourself in a similar situation where maybe you've run out of usage credits on your app, you can use your subscription to build something similar. So another great way to think about using AI.